Imagine starting a business today. Without building a factory. Without hiring hundreds of employees. Without spending millions of dollars. Instead, imagine using artificial intelligence to solve real problems for people around the world. This is exactly what's happening in 2026. Every day, new AI startups are launching. Some help students learn faster. Some automate business work. Others create content, improve healthcare, or build smarter software. The AI revolution isn't just new tools. It's brand new business opportunities. How do you find a good AI startup idea? What industries hold the biggest potential? First truth, successful startups start with a problem, not tech. Instead of asking what can AI do? Ask what problem can I solve? People pay for solutions, not just tech. Let's explore top AI startup ideas. AI education platforms personalize learning. AI content businesses create marketing materials faster. AI customer support handles common questions instantly. AI is improving healthcare workflows, appointment scheduling, and patient education. AI productivity software saves time by organizing projects and automating tasks. AI marketing helps small businesses generate ads, social content, and SEO strategies. AI recruitment speeds up hiring by sorting resumes and scheduling interviews. AI finance tools manage budgets, forecasts, and expenses to improve decision-making. AI for creators helps YouTubers, bloggers, and designers produce better content faster. AI business assistants help entrepreneurs manage tasks, write emails, organize calendars, and track goals daily. They could become the next essential startup tool. How do you choose the right idea? Ask, does it solve a real problem? Who uses it? Can it save time, reduce costs, or improve quality? If yes, you've got a solid foundation. Avoid common mistakes. Don't build tech before knowing customers. Don't chase perfection, launch early. Study competitors. And never give up early. Persistence wins startups. The future? AI will grow across industries, education, healthcare, finance, agriculture, and more. Stay curious, keep learning, and focus on real problems to build the next big AI business. Remember, AI is a tool, not the business. The real business is solving people's problems, saving time, reducing stress, and improving lives. Build your startup on that truth. Your first startup idea doesn't need to change the world. Just solve one real problem for one group of people. Every great journey starts with the decision to start. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI business ideas, startup strategies, and future tech insights to help you build your dream company.